Disclaimer: the content in this video is not intended to constitute or be a substitute for professional diagnosis or treatment. Never disregard professional medical advice. Let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we'll discuss 8 reasons why you can't focus and how to fix yourself. Ever asked yourself why is it so easy for some people to zero in on a problem and to bring it to a sharp focus, while others can't spend 2 minutes without gazing out of the window or fantasizing about lying on a beach? There are a variety of causes for this, including personality kinds. Here are 7 common reasons as to why you are having trouble concentrating. Number 1. You are sleeping inadequately. It is critical to get enough sleep. It allows us to re-energize, allows the brain to exercise neural connections, and allows our bodies to mend muscles and replace chemicals. So when we don't get enough sleep, everything suffers, especially the mind, because your brain is not just fatigued but also confused. Staying focused on anything will be extremely tough. It hasn't had the time to prepare for yet another full day of activities. Number 2. You are not dealing with the issues. If a problem is unaddressed, you may find yourself continuously thinking about it and how you should deal with it, but never taking action. The key to preventing these difficulties from resurfacing in your mind is to take action to address them. Even if the problem can't be fixed right away, just getting started on it might help to clear your mind and refocus your attention. Number 3. You are surrounded by distractions. We should all take a hard look at how the things we possess and use obstruct our ability to concentrate. When work needs to be done, we should get into the habit of shutting off everything we don't absolutely need. Ask yourself, if it's necessary to have the television on in the background, is it possible to put the phone in a drawer on vibrate and only use it for urgent calls? We could all substantially enhance our focus if we removed all of these distractions. Number 4. You are working in a sloppy setting. You might be one of those people who can do a lot despite being surrounded by a mess, but you are in the minority. Even if clutter and mess don't bother you, they might be a mental distraction. For example, if your desk is cluttered with old takeout wrappers, soda bottles, and other items, the ultimate result is that you will be distracted from the crucial task at hand. So clear things up and give yourself and your brain the opportunity to focus on one thing at a time. Number 5. You are investing too much effort. The simplest method to tackle a problem in creative fields is to stop thinking about it for a bit and allow the subconscious to do the work. However, if you work every hour, you will lose focus and be less productive at your career or whatever else you wish to focus on. Take a break, go on a vacation, or have fun in a different, healthy way and give yourself and your brain a well-deserved brief reprieve. Number 6. You aren't properly eating or drinking. Your body, like any machine, will have troubles if it's not provided with the proper fuel, which includes food, water, and exercise. Your mind will wander and your body will weaken if you are dehydrated. You must provide your body and brain with the nourishment they require to function optimally. Make it a habit to drink water and include fish oils and vitamins in your diet. Number 7. You are multitasking too hard. Multitasking seems great on paper, but in practice it often leads to you starting a lot of projects but never finishing any of them. You'll never be totally present in any endeavor if you work this way, since you'll always be thinking about the next step. To improve the quality of your work, devote time to one task and complete it well before moving on. The ability to concentrate for long periods of time is not something that can be corrected in an instant or in a single way. The good news is that there are a number of things you can do to improve your ability to maintain a deeper focus for a longer period of time, resulting in increased productivity. What's blocking you from concentrating? Let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up so that it can reach more people looking for this type of information, and share it with your friends and family if you liked it. Subscribe to Mr. Vin TV for more videos like this. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. I hope this information will help you improve your focus. Have a good one.